Hello students, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss the second topic in the foundation chemistry called as valency. So far we have discussed that in the periodic table we have various elements, atoms are present. So these elements or atoms are very unstable in nature, we know already. So it is due to the unequal number of protons, electrons and neutrons. So therefore these elements, due to high reactivity, due to instability, so these elements are the atoms, they combines with itself or they combines with other elements in the periodic table, they forms more stable, less reactive molecules or compounds. So by bonds formation. So the atoms are the elements in the periodic table, so they are combining with itself or they are combining with other elements, so that they are forming very stable, less reactive molecules or compounds by bonds formation. So generally the elements or the atoms present in the periodic table, they are highly reactive, they are less stable elements. Now therefore the maximum number of bonds formed by the atoms or the elements in the periodic table, it is generally considered as valency. So the atoms are the elements, so they are combining with itself or with other elements, other atoms, so that they are forming the bonds. The maximum number of bonds formed by these elements or the atoms in the periodic table called as valency. So the maximum number of bonds or the valency of the elements, so generally it depends on the group number of the elements. So therefore the periodic table, it consists of 118 elements. So these elements, in order to understand the valency, the maximum number of bonds, these elements are arranged in vertical lines called as groups and horizontal lines called as periods. So in the periodic table we have total 18 vertical lines, so 18 groups we have, 7 horizontal lines or 7 periods we have. So these 18 groups are again, to understand more the maximum valency and maximum number of bonds, so these 18 vertical lines, 18 groups are again classified into two types by Mendeleev. So there are two types we have, so A and B types. So generally if we consider the first one, A groups type. So A groups are mainly we have 8 types. First A, so in Roman numbers we have to write 1A, 2A, 3rd A, 4th A, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th A group elements. Now similarly if we consider the B groups are the elements are mainly 10 types we have. So they are in Roman numbers we have to follow 3rd B, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th B, 8th B, 8th B. So generally the 8th B group elements, they are mainly 3 we have, 8th B, 8th B, 8th B, since they contain almost same chemical properties, and 1B, 2B. So these are the 10 types of mainly B group elements are there in the periodic table. So therefore we are saying that the valency or the maximum number of bonds, that is and oxidation state of the elements, are depending upon the group number only. So therefore we have 18 groups are there, 18 vertical lines are there. So they are A and B type. So A groups are 8 types, B groups are mainly 10 types we have. So therefore we can understand simply by using this formula. So the valency of the element is nothing but the maximum number of bonds formed by the element or the atom is nothing but the group number of the element. So group number, valency must be same. The group number, maximum number of bonds formed by the elements must be same.